once again I welcome you all in yet another class of the environmental studies. Today we are going to learn about science experiment. We are going to do a science experiment and specifically we are going to see how is the rocket launches. But before getting into the class, I would like to remind that this month we are learning about communication followed by technologies. We have seen so many technologies that works in our house, around us, to make our life easier, faster, better. So today we are going to learn about how this rocket launches. But before that, can you tell me how does this aeroplane? Have you seen the airplane that takes off and lands off? So how does it takes off? It is because they have the big wheel that propel the airplane to move forward very quickly. Okay, so this is how the airplane manages to move forward and take off. But how does the rocket goes up in the sky? So I had made a small model here with me. So you could see I had made the rocket of model in a paper. This is a rocket, paper rocket, and at the back side of it you could see that I had stuck the straw and I had stuck the straw with the sellotape and I had sealed the upper open so that air should not go inside. And this is an empty bottle where I had placed the thinner raw. This is the thicker one and this is the thinner raw. I had sealed the mouth with the clay so that no air could come in, no air could go out. Okay, now what I am going to do is, this is thinner straw, I am going to insert the thicker straw in it. Okay, so what I am going to do is, I am going to press it quickly or push it quickly. Let us see. See how does it work? When I pressed, the air came up and pushed the rocket upward and the paper rocket fell down. Okay, so this is how the real rocket also works. Okay, when the engine starts, what happens? The rocket pushes its exhaust or the hot air outside. That the exhaust pushes the rocket and rocket too. The rocket pushes the exhaust and exhaust pushes the rocket too. The rocket pushes the exhaust backward and the rocket launches. Okay, so this is how the rocket launches and the rocket works. Okay children, this is a simple method I had shown you to just know how does the rocket takes off. Okay children, so this is all about the rocket launcher. Next, what are we going to do is, we are going to do the worksheet. Shall we? So kids, take out your concept worksheet. So this is your concept worksheet. Put your kid's name and date. Help the rocket to reach the space. So here is the rocket and we have to find the way to the rocket so that it may reach the space. Okay. So we could start from here and we can go here and then we can come this side and here we can come this way and we could reach the space. Okay, if there are any other ways you can find that also. So take the pencil and do the work neatly. Okay, like this and reach the rocket to help the rocket to reach the space. This is one worksheet. Another worksheet we are going to do, and that is name and date should be written by parent. Draw a technology that you use most. What are the technologies that we use most in the house? We use mixer grinder, oven, blender. So all these things are there that we use most. Apart from that, the most usable technology is refrigerator, washing machine, mobile phone. So all these are the latest technology that we use most. Okay, so any one picture you can draw here and after drawing that put mention its name. Okay, so document its name that you use mostly in your house. Okay children, so that's all in the concept class, in the last concept of this EVS class. So with this we are going to end up our concept class. So today we are finishing our concept class. So hereafter there will be no video for concept. Okay, the concept class is all over, children, and I believe that you all had a great time with the concept time and with me also. So with this I am coming to an end of today's class. Until I meet you in the next class, it's your auntie saying bye and take care.